All right, so question number 6. So this question mirrors your test question number 7. It says, Mr. Escobar is painting a square canvas for his classroom, each slide measuring 20 feet long. The design is shown below. So he's painting this square canvas, and we know that each side is 20 feet. Okay, that means this side here is 20. Okay, so from here to here is 20. And then our question is down here, and it says, how many square feet will be covered in soccer ball? So we need to know how much of this space is covered in soccer ball. So we need to know like this space here, this space here, this space here, and this space here. Okay. So we want to know how much is covered by the soccer balls. Okay. So what shape are my soccer balls? They're circles. So that means I'm going to use my formula for, because it wants to know how much is covered by soccer balls. That means I'm going to find my area. So I'm going to find the area of the soccer balls. Okay. And so what shape are my soccer balls? Okay, so yeah, there's a circle. So I'm going to find the area of a circle. So what's my formula for area of a circle? So look on your reference chart, find the section that says area, and then find where it says circle underneath that section. And then look over to see where the formula is. So yes, it's going to start with an A because you're looking at area. That's correct. A equals pi r squared. Remember that squared means to the power of 2. So we need to know our pi. We need to know our radius squared. So what's going to be our radius? Well, our radius, when we're looking at circles, remember the circle is from the measurement from this. Center is from the measurement of the circle to the edge. Okay. So if we have these two balls along the side, it's 2 on each side. So that means that this side and this side together are 20. So that means that this ball measures 10 and this one measures 10. But that's our diameter, right? Because when we have a circle and it goes straight across, that is our diameter. So if the diameter is, so if it goes straight across and that's 10, what would be the radius? So remember, radius equals diameter divided by 2. Or radius equals half of the diameter. So what's half the diameter? 5. That's correct. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in here. So now you have A equals pi r squared, which is 5 times 5, right? This is 5 times 5. So what's 5 times 5? That's correct. So now you're going to go ahead and multiply 3.14 times 25. Once you multiply that, that's going to give you the area for one of the soccer balls. But how many soccer balls do you have? Well, let's look. So we have one soccer ball here. We have 2 here. So we have a half here, but we have another half here. So can we combine these two? Yes. So that's our third soccer ball. And we have another half here and another half here. So again, we can combine those, and that is our 4th soccer ball. So that means we have 4 soccer balls. So once we find this area here, we're going to take that and multiply it by 4, because that is, we have 4 soccer balls, and this right here would be the area of 1 soccer ball. So we still need to take that and multiply it by 4. Then that's going to give you your answer. So make sure you finish those steps out of multiplying 3.14 times 25. And then whatever you get, you have to make sure you multiply it by 4, because you have 4 soccer balls. So I showed you how you have 1 here. This is your second soccer ball. Then you have half here, another half here. So that makes your third soccer ball. You have a half here and another half here, and that makes your 4th soccer ball. Okay? So make sure you pause your video. Finish that one up before going on to the next question. You have a video for that question. Okay?